Okay, it's Jock here in Scotland. Since I deleted all my videos, I'm trying to get up some of the ones, you know, that some of the folk were missing, and trying to put the words down also so that everybody can get the wee sing-song. And one of the old favourites that people liked was a wee deoch and doris. And I ken that I better stick that in doing it anyway, and it goes like this. There's a good old Scottish custom that stood the test of time. It's a custom that's been carried out in every land and clime. Where brothers Scots foregather, it's aye the usual thing. Just before we say good night, my friend, we raise our cups and sing. Just a wee deoch and doris, just a wee drap, that's all. Just a wee deoch and doris, afore we gaun awa. There's a wee wifey waiting, and a wee batten vein. If you can see it's a braw, bricht, Moonlicht, nicht, you're all richt, you ken. I like a man that is a man that's straight and fair. The sort of man that will and can and all the things he share. I like a man, a jolly man, the sort of man you know. The chap that slaps your back and says, "Man, Jock, afore you go." Oh, just a wee deoch and doris, just a wee drap, that's all. Just a wee deoch and doris, afore ye gaun awa. There's a wee wifey waiting, there's a wee batten vein. If you can see it's a braw, bricht, Moonlicht, nicht, you're all richt, ye ken. I'm quite sure yous all remember that now. Anyway, I'll put the words in the description for yous that would like to sing it, you can. And it's an easy tune to remember. See, so there you go, you can hum that after yourselves. Right, I'll say toodaloo the new to ye. Bye, toodaloo. And then I get too drunk tonight.